Here we presents the top 5 best dishwashers. Starting at number 5, SPTSD 9241SS. The SPTSD 9241SS is a tried and true option if you need a portable dishwasher that can be quickly set up or stored away. Despite the low cost, this SPT dishwasher has a stainless steel exterior finish, as well as a stainless steel interior tub, both of which set the dishwasher apart from other compact portable models. The SPTSD 9241 ShxM 6 cleaning cycles, all-in-one, heavy, normal, light, rinse, and speed. All-in-one is similar to the auto wash cycles from other brands, just under a different name. It uses sensors to detect how much cleaning needs to be done, and it's a good option for any type of load. Heavy, normal, and rinse are pretty much the same as in other dishwashers. Light and speed are very similar to each other. The speed cycle excludes one rinsing step in order to save water and energy and reduce the overall duration to around 60 minutes. The SPTSD 9241SS is a solid portable dishwasher. It's one of the most favored models in the category and can be expected to handle most cleaning needs with ease. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, Bosch ShxM63WS5N. The Bosch 300 series has everything a good dishwasher should have: solid performance and a design that's held up over the years. The ShxM63WS5N, in particular, is a built-in 24-inch dishwasher with multiple specialized cycles and cleaning options, and a tall stainless steel tub and exterior. The 300 series is not the top-tier series from Bosch. There's also the 500 and 800 series, which are more expensive and have some improved specs and technology. The rinse and hold cycle is meant to ward off smells of dirty dishes if you were to keep them in there for the day. The cycle consumes very little water or energy, and it doesn't rinse so much that it might affect later cycles. The auto cycle uses smart sensors that can detect the volume of any load, taking out all the confusion of trying to choose the right cycle. It automatically calculates the weight and number of items placed in the dishwasher, then adjusts the amount of heat, water, and time needed to fully clean the dishes. The Bosch ShxM63WS5N is quiet, powerful, and reasonably priced for such a capable dishwasher. In other words, it offers excellent values that shouldn't be missed. Halfway of my listed number 3, BLACK+DECKER BCD 6 watts. BLACK+DECKER has a long history as a brand to consider employing when it comes to home appliances. These guys are stacked with advanced innovation, better adaptability, and more space. This brand is considered as outstanding amongst other best portable dishwashers. This model BCD6W is a small dishwasher having a lot of features. This dishwasher efficiently holds a capacity of 6 place settings and accommodates plates up to 10 diameters. You can opt for a choice up to 24 hours on the delay time setting. This entirely incorporated dishwasher is coming by way of LED display, having electronic touch controls. All these features, protection, cleaning and function makes this product to achieve certification from Energy Star. Holding these things in mind, there is no other reason not to buy this product and not to set aside buying an expensive product like Kenmore portable dishwasher. This product is also highly recommended by the Amazon as well as the customers, and also it is ranked 9 in the countertop dishwashers of Amazon's best sellers rank. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2, Whynter CDW6831WS. This model CDW6831WS can be said as the most stylish and portable dishwasher among all. If you are living in a small family, or you're a couple, then this mini dishwasher will match all of your requirements. This dishwasher holds 6 standard place setting capacities, and it makes suitable for any kitchen, especially for most countertops and cabinets. And about the delay timer, it will permit you to select from 1 hour to 24 hours. It is also included dish rack and silverware basket in the package, and also it comes up with drain and inlet hose. This fully integrated product consumes water as well energy, which clears that, how it gets the certification of Energy Star. It is easy to install and simple to use, which makes this unique product user-friendly. And the sound is too low as it is less than 45 bar, which means you can only hear the sound when the water drains out. It's too quiet. It is one best portable dishwasher belong to the handiest in portable dishwasher. And number 1. SPTSD 9241 watts SPT South Dakota 9241W is one of the best portable dishwashers which are highly recommended by the customers. The dishwasher is a top-notch one in the SPT portable dishwasher. This SPT portable dishwasher contains 6 wash programs such as all-in-one, heavy, normal, light, rinse, and speed. In addition, this portable dishwasher comes up with an automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser. An adjustable upper basket to accommodate large pots and plates is one of the magnificent features of this product. Its capacity level is brilliant, that is up to 6 standard place settings. The panel features which include a time delay program allowing 1 to 24 hours in total, an error alarm for any fault codes, a warning indicator of low rinse aid and a button to opt from the 6 wash cycles help this amazing product easy to control. In addition, there is a practical adjustable upper crate basket that sufficiently obliges those bigger of pots and dishes. Except in the case of drying, this perfect for each and every family as it works perfectly. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.